Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's detail the influencing factors of bill to cost in a contact center. Influencing factors of bill to cost, bill rate, the revenue side. The first major set of factors influencing the bill to cost ratio comes from the bill rate, the revenue side of the equation. Contract model is the starting point. Billing can be structured per FTE, per hour, per call, per minute, or even per outcome such as a closed sale or a successful collection. The geography of the client also plays a major role. US and UK clients typically pay higher bill rates compared to domestic or regional clients. Negotiation strength can also shift the ratio. Clients with large volumes or strategic leverage may secure lower rates, squeezing vendor margins. SLA penalties and incentives add another layer. Breaches due to low service levels, high average handle time, or high abandon rates reduce billable revenue, while overachievement can bring bonuses or performance incentives. These revenue-side factors directly shape the numerator of the bill-to-cost ratio and define the commercial strength of any contract. Influencing factors of bill-to-cost, direct labor costs. The second major set of factors comes from direct labor costs, which make up the largest portion of contact center expenses. Agent wages and benefits are the primary cost driver. These costs are typically much higher in onshore markets compared to offshore locations. Overtime and incentives can spike during peak periods to maintain service levels. While necessary, they also inflate the overall delivery cost. Attrition and replacement costs are another major factor. High attrition leads to repeated hiring and training cycles, which erode margins over time. Shrinkage impact also plays a key role. Paid time lost to breaks, absenteeism, or training reduces productive output and raises the cost per productive hour. Managing direct labor costs effectively is one of the most powerful ways to keep the bill-to-cost ratio healthy and sustainable. Influencing factors of bill-to-cost, indirect and overhead costs. The third major set of factors influencing the bill-to-cost ratio comes from indirect and overhead costs. Support staff costs include supervisors, quality assurance teams, workforce management professionals, and trainers, all essential for maintaining performance but adding to the cost base. Facilities and infrastructure expenses cover rent, utilities, internet connectivity, and disaster recovery measures. These costs ensure business continuity but can be significant. Technology licensing is another critical factor. ACD systems, CRM platforms, workforce management tools, AI and chatbot solutions, and CPaaS fees all contribute to ongoing operational expenses. Compliance and security requirements such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR add additional layers of cost to maintain regulatory standards. These overhead elements, while not directly tied to agent productivity, heavily influence the denominator of the bill-to-cost ratio and overall margin health. Influencing factors of bill-to-cost, operational efficiency. Operational efficiency plays a decisive role in shaping the bill-to-cost ratio. Occupancy and utilization are key levers. Higher occupancy means more productive time, which reduces the cost per billable hour and strengthens the ratio. Average handle time, or AHT, is another critical factor. Longer handle times inflate delivery costs, while lowering AHT allows the same FTE to handle more contacts, spreading the cost more efficiently. First contact resolution has a direct cost impact. Poor FCR leads to repeat calls, increasing the cost burden without additional revenue. Forecasting accuracy through effective workforce management also matters. Poor forecasts can lead to overstaffing, which wastes capacity and inflates cost, or understaffing, which can result in SLA penalties. Strong operational efficiency improves cost control, protects margins, and keeps the bill-to-cost ratio healthy. Influencing factors of bill-to-cost, automation and AI adoption. Automation and AI play a powerful role in improving the bill-to-cost ratio. AI containment and resolution is the first big lever. The more interactions deflected or resolved through AI, the lower the dependency on human FTEs, which significantly reduces delivery costs. RPA in back-office functions helps eliminate manual effort in case handling, improving speed and efficiency while lowering cost per transaction. AI-driven workforce management further enhances performance by optimizing scheduling, reducing shrinkage, and improving occupancy levels. Together, these automation levers not only reduce costs but also make operations more predictable, scalable, and financially efficient. Influencing factors of bill-to-cost, market and external factors. External market conditions can have a major impact on the bill-to-cost ratio. Wage inflation is one of the most critical. Rapid increases in labor costs, especially in markets like India or the Philippines, can quickly erode margins if bill rates are not adjusted. Currency exchange rates are another key factor. Offshore vendors billing in US dollars or British pounds but paying in local currency face foreign exchange risks that can swing profitability. Seasonality also plays a role. Holiday spikes often require temporary staff or overtime, which drives up delivery costs and compresses margins. Regulatory changes such as labor law reforms and new compliance mandates add additional cost overheads to maintain operational and legal standards. These external factors are often beyond operational control, which makes proactive financial and pricing strategies essential to protect the bill-to-cost ratio. Influencing factors of bill-to-cost, strategic and contractual decisions. Strategic and contractual choices play a major role in shaping the bill-to-cost ratio. Client mix is a key factor. Strategic or anchor clients may receive preferential pricing, which can lower the bill-to-cost margin but strengthen long-term partnerships. Contract tenure also matters. Long-term agreements provide the stability needed to optimize costs over time, while short-term deals often run at thinner margins due to limited operational leverage. Risk-sharing models, such as outcome-based pricing, can unlock higher revenue potential but also carry performance risk if targets are not achieved. These strategic and contractual levers must be managed carefully to balance commercial competitiveness with sustainable profitability. Summary: influencing factors of bill-to-cost. The bill-to-cost ratio is shaped by multiple interconnected factors. On the revenue side, it's influenced by bill rates, the contract model, and SLA penalties or incentives. On the cost side, it's driven by labor costs, overheads, attrition, shrinkage, and technology investments. Operational efficiency plays a major role too, with factors like average handle time, first contact resolution, occupancy, and automation directly affecting cost per unit. And finally, external forces such as wage inflation, exchange rates, and regulatory changes add further pressure on margins. Ultimately, the bill-to-cost ratio is a careful balancing act between revenue certainty and delivery efficiency. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.